This Tinubu government and Buhari government now it's scatter Nigeria because Tinubu work with Buhari. The Tinubu Nigeria is very bad, very bad. The country is very bad. Nothing is moving for the country.
This country, everybody is suffering. If the thing to divide with the best, make we divide, make everybody going on.
Nigeria don't scatter. My head, I don't feel bad, I don't feel eat, no food for motor. I tried from house, reach here this morning.
Nigeria no good.
Nigeria no good.
At all. How Nigeria go good? Where are they hungry? Where people are hungry? Where people know how to sleep?
Very wicked because of say there's no food, there's no money.
For now, Nigeria is not only me, Nigeria entirely is not enjoying it.
Nigeria, we are managing the country now. We are managing the country the way we see it.
Nigeria don't do well.
For now, I say we are managing the country. We are not seeing anything we are supposed to see. Everything are going the way as if the country wants to collapse. But I don't know if God will intervene and restrict us back.
Yeah, the year don't pass. Forget about the month we there now. The year don't finish. Now give me time, give me time, give me time. You go 2 years don't enter. Give me time, give me time. 3 years don't enter. Now so we go still get. Now so we go there. Tackle ourselves, the vet. This tenor go finish it tenor. We go set out the fire now. Now my own way now go call open eye. The other part go.
Thank you so much. I'm your brother, say great. The call by Kan chairman that led the delegation of Christian leaders to visit Tinubu, and after the visit, he came out to grant press interview, calling on Nigerians to give Tinubu more time. That call by this highly respected church leader is, to say the least, unpatriotic. That's not what you expect from an elder statesman of that caliber. Give Tinubu more time to do what? More time to cause more harm. More time so that $1 will fetch 5,000 naira. More time so that Plateau will be raised, Benue will be wiped out. More time to do what? So that the inflation rate will hit the roof. A bag of rice will go for 500,000 naira or 1 million naira. Give him more time to do what? Tinubu has been there since 2015. He made Buhari president. And Asha Buhari pointed out that if you count 55 people working with Buhari, 50 of them, Buhari does not know them. Who brought the super ministers to Buhari's government? Fashola was there as Minister for Power, Minister for Housing, Minister for Works. One man, a lawyer. And all the key ministries went to those that came from Tinubu. So if Buhari fell, people should not be calling Buhari. It's the APC administration. And Tinubu, since 2015, had always been known and called the leader of APC. Now he told us it is his turn. Before he said it is his turn to be president, Tinubu already cannot claim not to know the problem of Nigeria. But he took over 7 years after. Insecurity is out of hand. Naira is fast becoming, it's as if it's becoming ordinary paper. Unemployment, hardship, hunger. Many people are dying. And you say give him more time. Why? This man does not know what to do. The APC government is at their wit end. They have no solution. Trial by error cannot build the economy of any nation.
All for the president before 2027.
Well, I have to be hopeful that the National Assembly members will do what is right for Nigeria. And what is right for Nigeria is that this administration cannot stand. The rate of insecurity, the rate at which the economy is going, all the policies that this president is taking. You know, the president we have is not the man that we all thought he was. This is not Bola Ahmed Tinubu of 10, 15 years ago. This man is gone senile. He doesn't know what he's doing. He's destroyed the economy and the whole country is going down. If you don't see that, you see, the National Assembly is the key. I know it's a tall order to expect them to impeach him, but for the sake of survival of this country, this man must either go or we have a review of the 1999 Constitution. The National Assembly has a lot to think about for the sake of Nigeria. They don't go there just because they're in a political party. They're not representing a party when they go there. They're representing the people, the interest of the people. If they take the interest of the people to heart, they will think about either putting this guy in order or getting him impeached. Impeached because it seems to me all his appointments are personal appointments. They're not helping the country. He himself doesn't know what he's doing. The economy is gone. Now, the dollar to the naira is, I think, 1,400. The cost of petrol, companies are falling up, unemployment is up. The country is in serious trouble. Something drastic must happen. That's never happened before. We never impeached the president before. I don't think. This will be the first time, because this is the first time we're having the kind of disastrous administration in the history of Nigeria.
You think sorry, just
Trial by error. That's why multinationals with information, they are moving out of Nigeria because they know nothing good can come from the policies of this government. That's why they are moving out. They cannot be deceived. No country man will come and tell them, give him more time. You can't tell them such cock and bull story. That's why they are moving out. Because they see what Nigerians cannot see. And that's why many Nigerians are looking for passport to run out of this country. We should look for solution on how to build the Nigerian economy, on how to find solution to the insecurity, to the unemployment, to inflation, to hunger, to poverty. Not asking for more time to a man who does not know what to do. Everywhere many Nigerians should be putting pressure, pleading with Tinubu to put Nigeria first. And since you know you do not have solution, resign and face your health challenge. You better you leave this thing for the good of Nigeria. Insecurity is out of control. Killing going on under your watch. As Nigeria is bleeding, you will be going to Lagos. Governors will be there to visit you for a party. Killing is still going on in Plateau. You will be in Owerri for swearing in of a governor. But you have not visited Plateau to see for yourself the killing going on there. And somebody will say, or a group of people will tell you, give him more time. Politicians are calling, give him more time. But the APC have been there for 9 years running. 9 years now. Getting to 9 years, there's nothing. You can't give what you do not have. Everybody should be calling for APC to voluntarily relinquish power to move Nigeria forward. Do it for the good of Nigeria. Put Nigeria first. Be good Nigerians. Put Nigeria first. Consider your country. And leave this thing for those with idea, for those who knows the way to find solution. Let us share this video and join in the call for Tinubu to please give up this thing for the good of Nigeria and face his health challenge. We believe God will heal him, God will strengthen him, God will make him strong. He should be there and see how a young, vibrant Nigerian will turn things around. Not being there to create problem. To divide Nigeria, make statement, to do things, move CBN to Lagos, to ravaging Nigeria. That's what you have to do. CBN to Lagos. Confusion everywhere. Mr. President, consider Nigeria first. Do this for the good of Nigeria.